Good morning everyone. We are here at our Oasis at Ballast Point together with my family, friends and colleagues who own this 135 apartment unit. And so we are doing outside work. It's slick here. I just got this ladder and we are doing some exterior work. So we had Hurricane Idalia came through and some of the tree branches were affected by it. So now we're trying to clean up. We're also trying to clean up some of the palms. You know, in Florida, you know, when you're in Florida, when you see palm trees and coconut, well, it's not coconut, it looks like coconut tree, but it's palm trees. And I'm gonna be sharing with you this beautiful palm. All right, see this palm? So I will have my crew slick here take care of this. Oh, thank you, Steve Penchotti, for watching. So we're taking care of this so it looks nice on our exterior. So this is a busy Dale Mabry road. There's so many cars and we have a lot of visibility in this road. Our apartment is facing a lot of commercial complexes, commercial offices, commercial business owners like Home Depot. We have tenants working for Home Depot. We have tenants working for Mcdill Air Force. We have veterans here. We have people working from Port of Tampa. So this is the beautiful Oasis at Ballast Point, and we are live here doing exterior work for our property. So stay tuned for more. Take care, guys. Thank you, Steve Penchotti, for watching. Until next time.